Hello YouTube, it's the true More64 back with another video. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the S.W.A.T truck thing. Yeah, I don't know what this is called again, so I do apologize there. And also this thing is massive too, so, and also there's dust on it, so you may be seeing me dust it more. So yeah. And also, again, like I said, this thing's massive, so it doesn't even fit in my camera frame, and if I turn it anymore, it's gonna hit the camera. So yeah. Anyway, on to the review. Like I showed over here, it's got two figures, a Red Ranger and this guy. Can't remember his name, but yeah. And also this is just an armor piece, and you could have one of these there. So yeah. Anyway, it has like standard points of articulation. Well, they both do. Well, except for when he has the armor. But yeah. Full arm and hand. Full leg articulation. So yeah. Figures. Yay. And also here's the red S.W.A.T Ranger. Has his gun thing. So yeah. Anyway, let's get into this. Does have well, first off, it does roll very well. Does have lights and sounds up here. Gotta take that off first. And also dust it. No activation noise, like always. Then turn it, we'll press this button up here. Just has sirens. I don't think this light is working. Yeah, I don't believe so, and also the sounds aren't too good enough. Okay, yeah, that battery might be dying. So yeah. Anyway, this does open. Well, first off, it does have missiles right up here. Can fire them. And also, you can put them on a figure and have them hold it like a cannon. Like, all you gotta do is take it off and put it in a figure's hand, like so. Hold on, trying to get it in. Can be hard. So yeah, figure can hold it. Yay! Anyway, now let's open this thing up. There's a ramp right there. thing is big. And also has the seat for a cockpit. Or for someone sitting there. So you could just take a figure. Hold on 1 second, have them right here, and you can either place them right in here, but for now, let's take them out. You can place this, put it on here, like so. Now it's got like this big thingamabobber on top, and then you could fold. You know, I'm just gonna close this up for now. And then fold this out. Now, let's say, oh, it's a helicopter. Yay! And also this does roll too, so yeah. Anyway, taking that off. Now let's pull that off, and then we can open it back up. Now this can launch. Like, all you gotta do is that. And it can turn, and you can take this piece, take a bike, now got training wheels basically, but no, this is actually supposed to be a launching thing. Yeah, you can launch a bike down that ramp if you want. And this works with both molds. Well, yeah, both molds, and I knocked the camera. It's best if you take the thing out. There we go. Got it. Yeah, there we go. And we can launch it. So yeah, pretty nice. And if you want to, you could just launch it at, yeah, as like a missile or something. So yeah, pretty nice, if I do say so myself. And that fell. So yeah. Now, one thing is, I believe in the instructions that, well, you can, like, camera fell. Sorry about that. I'm just grabbing the Megazord, and you could place it here or something. I believe you could also place figures on here with these. Yeah. You can. Yay! You can also place a Megazord right there as well. So, yeah. Now, that is basically it. I'm just gonna place these in here and then pull this up. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just gonna do the final thoughts here and now in just this one take. So my final thoughts are, it's okay. I mean, it does have a lot of playability. If you have other toys, of course. And yeah, you can do lots of stuff with this. You can launch bikes. You can place Megazords in it, well, on it. You can do all kinds of stuff. And also there's enough playability here as well. So yeah. Anyway, if you want it, get it if you want, but you don't have to. It's an easy pass if you don't want it. But if you're just like, I gotta have it, then by all means get it. So yeah. That's gonna be it for this review. I don't think I have anything else for S.P.D. So yeah. Guess we're gonna be back to Bionicles. I'll be doing Bionicle 2009 next. And also I'll just do one video for each Bionicle set, because kind of running out of stuff to review. Can you guys please request something that I could actually use? Please. I'm begging you. I'm running out of content here. You can go ahead and request things like Power Rangers, like Kamen Rider, Bionicle, or Super Sentai related. Anything of the sorts. Like, I could review the Bionicle books, I could go over my top 10 favorite Power Rangers or Power Ranger seasons. Of course, I ain't gotta watch them first. So yeah. I could, go over my top 10 favorite masks or top 10 favorite Bionicle years. And I could do all that if you want. Well, all sorts of stuff. What I can't do is like something like Transformers or Star Wars. Transformers, the main reason is because I don't have much experience with Transformers. So yeah. And Star Wars, because I don't have anything, well, don't have much of anything Star Wars related. And I don't have the money or the room to buy stuff. So yeah. Well, buy Star Wars stuff. So yeah. So that is gonna be it for this review. My next review will be on Gresh from 2009. So stay tuned for that. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh wait, and also, follow me on Twitter. Name will be down in the description down below. Also, go subscribe to my Minecraft channel where I play Minecraft. I do a Minecraft modded Let's Play. So, link will be in the description down below as well. And I will leave a link in the description to where you can buy this if you want. But I'm not really making any promises because this is kind of hard to find. I believe I'm the only reviewer reviewing it. So yeah. Anyway, that is gonna be it. And I'll see you guys next time. Later. ATV thing. I gotta be honest with you, I don't know what this is actually called. It's been a long time since S.P.D came out. So, yeah.